Hi, this is Christine and welcome to my YouTube channel Scrappin' Rabbit. This little journal holds 296 full and half pages, so that's 148 pages two-sided. It measures 5 inches across by 6 inches high, and it's got a 2-inch wide spine. On the side, I embossed some paper to cover the 4 signatures in the book, and I've got some little charms and beads attached to a chain, and this is tied onto the spine with a lobster claw clasp, so you can remove this if you prefer not to keep it on the journal. You can use it on your purse or whatnot. And here's the back. The covers are wrapped in beautiful pink and gold toned paper. There's a little tag attached to the front so you can put a title on there. This is a bookmark that accompanies this journal. It's got a gold colored paper clip, and it's got a really nice dangle from a vintage earring. I really like this. It's very pretty. So you can use that to bookmark pages in your journal. I've got an elastic closure to hold the journal closed. And I'll just remove this for now, and I will take you through the book quickly to show you the assorted papers. I've got a little pocket here, and there's a little tag. Now, if you're going to be putting some photos in here, it's always a good idea to print out pictures and keep your originals in a safe space, because not all of these pages are acid-free paper, especially the ones that are tea-dyed. But I do have some scrapbook paper in there, and that's what I used on the signature covers. So let's go through. This is some writing paper. And there's a whole assortment. It's a beautiful paper with some glitter on it. I don't know if you can see that. And I tea-dyed an index card. There's some line paper. These are the half pages. Graph paper. And here's an envelope that I made, and I've got a little tag in there. So that's the first signature, and here's the next signature. So I used a lot of the same papers throughout. Here's some tea-dyed paper, but I mixed them all up. So I've got 4 signatures with similar papers, but there's so much variety of papers in here, and I like having it varied like that. There's another tag. I like doing a video for my Etsy listings because it gives you a much better idea than just looking at still photos. This is the same type of beautiful paper with some glitter on it. And there's the third signature. Some of the papers are a little bit different, but generally they're all mixed up among the different signatures. Another small envelope. butterflies. And here's the last signature. So it's not a big journal, but it's quite thick, and there's a lot of pages, and I like smaller pages like that because sometimes you don't need a large page to write on. You might prefer some smaller sheets of paper. You can do some stamping in here. There's no embellishments. That way you can customize it the way you prefer. So that's my journal. Don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions, and feel free to look at the other albums in my Etsy shop. Each of them links to a video that shows the complete album, like I just did with this one, or the complete journal like I did with this one. Have a nice day. Happy journaling, happy crafting. Bye.